Stechford Railway Station serves the Stechford area of Birmingham on Victoria Road, just off Station Road, which is part of the A4040 Birmingham Outer Ring Road. The station and all of the trains serving it are operated by West Midlands Trains and lies on the junction between the Birmingham and Coventry main line and the predominantly freight-only Stechford to Ashford spur. The station was much more important at the end of the 19th century, retaining a working freight yard until as late as the 1980s, although these tracks have since been lifted. Stechford Station used to have poor access for people with mobility impairments. Steep steps led to the ticket office on the Birmingham platform, and the Coventry platform can only be reached by traversing a further bridge. However, this has changed with the building of a brand new mobility friendly bridge. So we'll get started here at Stechford with 350-106, working the 1125 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley Trent Valley to Birmingham International. Next through the station for London Northwestern is 350-242 and 350-372, working 2 Yankee 59 from Northampton to Birmingham New Street. Trundling around the corner is 350-248 and 350-370, working 1 Whiskey 12 from Birmingham New Street to London Euston via Northampton. Next around the corner is 158838 and 158835, working 1 Indigo 10 from Holyhead to Birmingham International. One through, one stopping now is 221 008 and 221 132 pass through while 350 405 stops. Working 1M34 from Birmingham International, respectively. Next to depart from the station is 350-106, working the 1152 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham International to Rugeley Trent Valley. Humming around the corner is 221-101 and 221-109, working 1 Bravo 40 from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. Next trundling around the corner is 350-102 and 350-253, working 1 Whiskey 07 from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. And right on his heels is 390-011, working 9 Sierra 60 from London Euston to Stechford via Preston. Next through the station under the head code for Echo 49 from Daventry DRS to Doncaster I-Port is 66-426 and 66-433. Next to power through the station is 220003 and 220031, working 1 Oscar 14 from Manchester Piccadilly to Reading via Coventry and Oxford. And 158-838, working 1 Juliet 15 from Birmingham International to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli via Shrewsbury and Mahuncliffe. With the rain coming down, there was only a 6% chance of this happening. We see 390-009, working 9M51 from Blackpool Hill to Houston. Next into the station is 390-123, working 9 Golf 16 from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. And passing fast through the station is 350-372 and 350-242, working 2 Yankee 64 from Birmingham New Street to Northampton. And here comes our train into the station in the form of 350-252, working the 1225 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley Trent Valley to Birmingham International. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.